हेलो गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं आपको एक छोटा सा अपना एक होम टूर कराऊंगी, जिसमें मैं अपना लिविंग रूम और आपको अपना डाइनिंग रूम का होम टूर कराऊंगी। तो चलिए सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने लिविंग एरिया से। तो फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विद माय डोर। आई कीप 2 Decoupage bottles here, which is made by my friend, and she is very good in this. And I put 2 owls also. These 2 owls is a symbol of prosperity in house, and it takes away all the negatives. जो आपकी वाइब्स होती हैं उनको घर से आउट कर देता है। तो आई कीप 2 owls out there. And welcome to my living room, and this is my living room. First I'll take to my favorite corner, where I click all the pics of my recipes, all the pics of my dishes. So this is that corner, and I put this plant here. I love greenery, and I love one small part of greenery in my living room. So I put this plant here, and these plates again is a part of Decoupage, and I purchased this from my friend, and this is very unique. And when I put this in my living area, everybody asks me that from where you buy this, and it looks so beautiful. So I love these plates, and I love this my lamp. This lamp I bought from Amazon, and I love this lamp. It's very reasonable in cost, and living looks so beautiful in any corner. You put it on your bedroom or any area of your house, it looks so nice. And came to my peg tables. This peg tables I bought from Srinagar. So it's made from walnut wood, and I love the embroidery of this table. And this, see, under this glass there's a big chinar leaf, and chinar is the famous in Srinagar. So whatever you bought from Srinagar, either it is jewelry or either it is any furniture, the chinar should be there. So this is my peg tables, and I bought 4 tables like this. And this is my tea coasters. Again, it's a part of Decoupage, and I love this tea coasters. It's so natural, so touch with nature. It's completely a touch with nature. And so you can see a teacup and a bird. So I love this. And this is the candle. I love the red color of candle, and this I won in Tambola game, and today I got this. So it's a part of my prize which I got today. So this is my favorite corner, and you can see the curtains. This curtain are from D Decor, which I purchased from showroom of D Decor. I love this color and the texture, because it's completely matched with my sofa, with my furniture, with my carpet. And sorry, I forget to tell you about this carpet. This carpet I bought from Meerut, and that seller is came from Hardoi. He told me that this work is famous in Hardoi, and this carpet I purchased from him around 10,000. And I love the texture. It's so heavy that we need 4 men to hold it down. So I love this carpet. You see the embroidery, such a nice embroidery, and it's made from silk thread. So whenever you touch, it's feel like that you are touching a silk fabric. So it's very soft. So this is my sofa, which I purchased from Roorkee, from a furniture yard. And I love this sofa because it's completely look very nice and very elegant in any room, because my living room is not so big. So I purchased this because कि रूम छोटा भी है, छोटे रूम में जितना फर्नीचर बहुत अपना बोल्ड फर्नीचर्स लगाएंगे, आपका रूम उतना छोटा लगता है. सो आई चूज दिस वन बिकॉज मेरा लिविंग रूम ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है. सो मुझे ये सोफे बहुत एलिगेंट लगे. And came to the cushions. I got different cushions with this sofas also. It's that cushions was in this texture, but I removed that cushions because that was so hard. So I choose this one because it's so soft and it's very comfortable. Whenever I sit here, I feel so comfortable in this sofa with this cushion. So this is my sofa, and these chair I again bought from Roorkee Furniture Yard, and it's like jackpot for me, because that person told me that you can buy this chair with only 3,000. So I feel like wow, 3,000 में तो मेरा jackpot लग गया है. So I bought this chair with rupees 3,000. And again you see here my back table, and this is my again a piece of decoupage. It's made of glass, and it's a lovely piece. Everybody, my guest asked me that where you bought this from. So lovely. So now I move on to my main deco table. In this deco table, I put my 3 goblets. I love candles and the candle holders. I'm a big fan of candle holders, and you can see the lots of candle holders here, which is in red color. I love red color. So these goblets I purchased from the mall. I forgot that name of the mall because it's so old, and it's made of iron, so it's very comfortable for me to pack and throw this in any box because इसमें कुछ टूटने का है नहीं. And see this candle holder, a tea light holder, I bought from a mall, Pacific Mall, Dehradun, and I love this, and I got this in rupees 199 only. And this I bought from Home Center, again from Amazon. So I love this piece, and this piece I got from Roorkee in a deco shop. It's very good, and I found it very attractive in first sight, and I purchased this, and I love this because it's so rustic in look. Rustic feel देता है मुझे एक ये. तो इसमें आपको कोई पॉलिशिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है. देखिए, आप खुद देख सकते हैं, नो पॉलिशिंग, एंड इतनी रस्टिक है ये कि मुझे इसमें कोई इसमें साफ़ सफाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. देन आई कम टू द कैंडल होल्डर सेकेंड पार्ट. This candle holder I got from my friend. She gifted me when I leave that place. So she gifted me, and these again I got in the prize in Tombola, and today I got this. And this one I bought from Amazon. It's very cute, and I got this in very low price. It's around 200. And this are the piece of crystals bowls. I love this round texture of this bowl, so I love it. And these are the grapes, which I find very nice, very cute. And this I bought from Masuri, from the local shop. And this again, this is a gift from my friend. In my housewarming, she gave this to me. Now I came to the another corner. This is a Buddha corner. I love Buddhas, and somebody told me that, actually my mom told me that don't put so many Buddhas in your home, but still I put 3 or 4 because I love Buddhas, and I love to put Buddhas in my room. So this is one Buddha. This is in lying position, and these both are in sitting position. So I love this corner. And again, this corner I bought from Srinagar. See the chinar work. You can see the chinar work here. See. So I love this corner because of my Buddha. And this is a guitar. This guitar is bought by my husband because he is very fond of playing guitar. And now I come to this corner, which I put my home theater. So this is from Sony, and this I again bought from Roorkee, from a showroom. So it's a big part of our house because my husband is a big fan of music and big fan of Punjabi songs. So whenever he feels free, he just play the Punjabi song in a very loud voice, and you can see the boards, big speakers. So my house was boof up whenever he played any song. And these again, you can see the tea light holders. This again I bought from Home Center, and I purchased this hooks also to hanging them. And now this is my home, and I love this. You can see the entire. So that's all from my living room. I hope you love this, and I'll make this video just to show you my choices, show you my way of putting things in the living room. So now it's time to take you all in my dining room. It's a very small room. So this is my dining room. This is my dining room, and here I put this my handmade light, which is made by me. I just made this from balloon, and it looks so nice. First I felt that I put this light in my garden, but I didn't find any place to put this light, so I put it here, and it's made. I just hang it on wood, and it gives a very rustic feel in my dining room. So that's my dining room, and here's a bar, small bar, which was created by me. And in this bar I put some bottles and some glasses. This bar is I bought this bar from Saharanpur. Saharanpur is very famous for woodwork, so I find that bar very good, very nice. And this bar is made up of shisham wood, and it's very nice because it's rotate 360 degree when I take any glass or want to pick any glass, so it's move 360 degree, and that's the best quality of this bar. Now I take you to the my dining table. Here I put another decoupage spoon holder here. It's very cute. See, small flowers in this. So I found this very beautiful, and here I put 2 bottles of water and 1 flower vase, black flower vase with yellow flowers. This I bought from Myntra. And here I put some another pieces of decoupage here. This was my damaged, you can say. I just prepared to throw this, but my friend told me you can create very beautiful decoupage on this, so this what I create. And this is my 2 main boards of my kitchen, where I put my pick, and in this pick I wrote the master of kitchen. I don't know I'm master of kitchen or not. My recipes, everybody is saying that everybody said that you cooked so good and you cooked so good, so and all because of that I create this board. And in this board I put the crockery bowl and the cupcake. And this is a small wall hanging, in which I create some bell peppers, some bon appetit like honey bowl. So it's a cute decoupage part of my room. And this is my fridge. Again, I bought this fridge from Roorkee. It's from LG. And in this corner I again put the decoupage creation. And this is lamp which I bought from a mall, Pacific Mall. And these are the decoupage trays. You can see the beautiful prints, kettle print, leaf print, carrot. This plate is my favorite one, and second one is in yellow, lime yellow color. And again you can see the beautiful prints over there, the whisker or the teapots or pots. So this is another, and third one is in green color, and where you can find the different prints like phone, like lamps, like envelopes, like teapot, like teacup, like leaves. So it's I love the unique items, and I love to purchase these kind of items. And this was the jar, mayonnaise jars, which was decorated with the decoupage, and you can see the beauty of this jars. It totally changed the feeling of boring jars. And that was the Burmese, where you put the achar, and you can put anything. You can put toffees and candies, whatever you want. So these are the parts of, again, part of decoupage. So you can see the red color tablecloth. I love red color. So this is all about my dining room. You can see here. So that's how I create my room. So I hope you love my living room and dining room. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you like any part of my living room or dining room, please comment on the box. And I promise you that one day I will take you the complete home tour of my house. So tell me which corner you like the most, and any suggestions to create or innovate my house. You can give your suggestions also. So thank you guys. Please watch my video and tell me how it is. So guys, bye. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe and put the like button if you like the video. So bye bye friends. Stay happy, stay alert. Bye bye.